have this problem, and this problem is something that I really want to solve badly before I created this content engine. So it's a problem whereby I noticed that I have so much ideas of content that I need to create, but for some reason or the other, I am not able to curate this content so that I can get to post them. I just have this content off my head, and I dish out a lot of content just top of my head without actually curating them to post them. So as a result of that, the best of my thinking never gets shared online. Now, by the time I sit down to want to create posts that I need to post on YouTube or on a LinkedIn like this, I have nothing to share because, in fact, I already exhaust every single thing that I need to share. But here's how I was able to solve this particular issue. It's a 5-step framework that I created. The first thing is that I created a content engine inside of my Henry OS, right? Inside of my Hydronium OS here. And what this does is whenever I'm creating or whenever I'm talking to somebody or I'm just building, it's recording my building, it's recording what I'm doing, right? My conversations are being recorded and what I'm building is being recorded. So as it's working, after some time, it will just take some of these ideas that I was sharing and put them into my content bank. Now in my content bank, you can get to see all the things that I talked about. Your ghost leads are waiting, the core hook. All these rough ideas are just collected. The AI is collecting all these rough ideas from the work that I'm doing or from my conversations so that later I can come and just develop them further. And these are real ideas. They happen every single time. So after collecting these ideas, at about 5 o'clock, I will get an alert. I will get a message telling me about all my ideas, right? Everything that I've been working on that I need to really do urgently. I will get message reminding me so that I can see the ideas and push to which one I need to work on right now and which one I don't need to work on. Before you know it, within 15 minutes, I will have about 5 different posts that need to go out today and even schedule the rest of them. And this thing saved my life because I know I never had anything to do with content problem. I don't have a content creation issue. What I have is an idea curation problem. But now my ideas are being curated with the help of this OS that I created. If you're a founder, if you're a consultant, you're looking forward to start creating content, start putting out your expertise out there, this will be something that you will need, literally. And I'm making it available for free for everyone who needs it. All right, guys. See you on the next one. I'm Henry.